Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your camera and scene so every frame lines up perfectly. Use a tripod or heavy mount and lock all plates. Even tiny shifts break smoothness. Once mounted, switch to manual exposure and manual focus so brightness and sharpness stay constant. This avoids flicker. Frame your shot, then mark actor or object positions with tape or a simple grid. Make sure your lighting is steady and not auto-adjusting. Consistent light is as important as a locked camera for fluid motion. You now focus on motion control. Move the subject in small, repeatable increments so movement reads as continuous. Use a slider or a simple rig or guide with marks on the table. The smaller the step, the smoother the result. Once done with each adjustment, use onion skin or overlay preview to align the new pose to the last frame. This minimizes jitter. Also, choose a filming rate that fits the desired speed. Capturing multiple frames per incremental move helps when you convert to 1224 frames per second. You finish by importing frames in sequence and setting the timeline to your target frame rate, typically 12 to 24 FPS. This converts your captures into motion. Apply subtle motion blur if digital strobing looks choppy, and run stabilization only if you see drift. If flicker appears, use flicker removal tools or match exposures manually across frames. Test a short render. If stutter or exposure shifts persist, adjust your step size, relock camera, or reshoot the problematic sequence rather than overprocessing the footage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.